Hello kids, my first ABC with animals. A is for alligator. A is for alligator. B is for bear. C is for cat. D is for dolphin. E is for elephant. F is for frog. G is for giraffe. H is for hippo. I is for iguana. J is for jellyfish. K is for koala. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for narwhal. O is for octopus. P is for panda. Q is for quail. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. T is for tiger. U is for unicorn. V is for Baltur. W is for whale. X is for X-ray fish. Y is for yak. Y is for yak. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra.